Tiles gives you a visualization of the themes you've created for the thoughts shared in your exchange. When I load the Tiles page, by default, what I'm seeing are the AI-generated themes that the software produces on its own. I can change this by selecting any of the theme sets that I've created below. I can look at my themes in two different ways, either by average star rating or by the number of thoughts within each theme. When I look at my themes by average star rating, the themes at the top of the visualization have the highest average star rating, and then as I move down through the themes, that number goes down. Likewise, if I switch this to number of thoughts, the themes that contain the greatest number of thoughts are at the top, and then as I move down, that number decreases. If I want to see the thoughts contained within a theme, I just have to click the tile. I can add comments to the different thoughts here, or I can add a comment to the entire theme at the top of the page. I can also create a PDF report of the thoughts list that I see here by clicking the print option. Finally, if I need to edit my themes, move thoughts around a little bit, I can just click the edit option and this will take me right to the theme menu. You can explore help articles related to this and other features by clicking the Help widget button right here on the Discover dashboard. This feature allows you to read articles, watch videos, search for other topics, and even submit support tickets if you have questions. If you'd like to learn more about any of the features on the Discover dashboard, check out our help site at get.thoughtexchange.help. We have videos about each of the different features. You can also reach out to our support team directly at help@thoughtexchange.com. I hope you found this video useful. Until next time, happy thought exchanging.